Hello everyone, welcome back to Govan Chef's Kitchen. Saglyang tumka mai magaso yokar, and today I am going to prepare my personally most favorite prawns reshado masala or prawns reshad masala. So let's begin with the ingredients. About 4 tiger prawns here, 2 tablespoons of reshad masala, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, fresh chopped coriander, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that should be all. So let's begin with the preparation. Let me quickly show you how to clear the prawns because some people do not know that. So here you go. I have cleaned the prawns and now I'm cutting into half, and I'm gonna remove the thread from behind, which a lot of people say is not good for health, and I also personally believe so. So here you go. This is how you need to take off the thread from behind. Once that is clean, you're good to have the prawns. So as you can see, I've cleaned my prawns. Now I'm adding some salt because salt always gives the best flavor to the fish. So here you go, some salt, and I'm gonna leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Heat the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and wait till it is nicely heated, and then I'm gonna add my prawns. So we need to half fry the prawns. So once you see the prawns have slightly changed the color, let's turn it to the other side. As you can see, the prawns have nicely changed the color. Now it's time to add the reshad masala. As you can see, I'm adding every bit of it and a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook the prawns with the reshad masala. And if any of you all do not have the recipe for the reshad masala, I have also put up a vlog separately for the reshad masala. Please go and check that vlog as well. I will leave the link in the description box for y'all. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the masala is become nice and thick at the base. Now it's time to add the sugar. So it gives it a nice, spicy, sweet and tangy flavor, which is very nice. You can give a try. And now it's time to turn. As you can see, nicely the masala is been started to coat on the prawns. So that is what we need, and you can see the base of the prawns is also nicely thickened up. So add some coriander, chopped coriander, and try to simmer the prawns with the leftover masala. It takes a few minutes, but the end result is delicious. So as you can see friends, our prawns reshad masala are ready. So pretty simple, one of the quickest, easiest, simplest and most tastiest dish, and my personally recommended one. Sprinkle a little bit of lime on it and it's good to go. So if you have liked my today's vlog, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your lovely comments, and I will see you very soon in my coming up vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye. Saglyang tumka diyo bareng koru.